Hello and welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to learn four very important Chinese initials: zhi, chi, shi, zhi. These sounds are very common in Chinese, and they are also very important for correct pronunciation. Let's get started step by step. Zhi, zhi, zhi. Repeat after me. Zhi, zhi. Zhi is a retroflex sound. Your tongue should curl slightly backward. The tip of the tongue touches the hard palate. The roof of your mouth slightly behind the teeth. Then release the air. Release the air. Zhi, 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 wu, zhu, zhi, wu, zhu. Don't pronounce it like z, he separately. It is one sound. Zhi, zhi, zhi. Chi, 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 chi. Chi is the aspirated version of zhi. Same tone position as zhi, but with a strong burst of air. More air. Chi, chi, chi. Example: chi, wu, chu, chi, wu, chu, chi, wu, chu. Shi, shi, shi. Shi is also a retroflex sound. Tongue is slightly curled back. Air flows through a narrow space. Sound is smooth and continuous. Shi, 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 wu, shu, shi, wu, shu. Zhi, zhi, zhi. Zhi in Chinese is very special. Tongue is curled back like shi. Zhi, 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 wu, ru, zhi, wu, ru, zhi, wu, ru.